Yo, JBlanked here. Welcome to the December edition of my community overview. I'm going to go over the entire Discord and website as if you were completely new to the community. So when you first get here, you'll see the rules. And these are just basic rules that you need to follow. Pretty much just no bullying. Don't do anything weird. But everything is outlined here. This announcements is for general announcements about the community. The info is a bit about myself and the services that I offer and where you can reach me at. Now, this is completely new. It's a choose role channel, and all you have to do is react to the message. You can click on the emoji here, or you can react to your own emoji, and it will give you the specific role. So previously, when you joined the Discord, you immediately were able to see all of the different categories and all the different channels that we offered. Um, on the 10th of November, I went and changed the Discord a bit so that if you're only here for a certain category, then you can choose to see only that content. So if you're here just for music, you would see all of these channels. If you're here just for trading, you will see all of the Forex channels. If you're here for Flipper, which is new, then you'll see the 2 Flipper channels that we have. All right, awesome. Let's go right into it. We have the general chat. Come in here and say good morning, say what's up, say whatever. The motivation here, I post motivation every single day at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I usually pick a theme every single week. So for those who have been in the Discord for a while, I'm hoping you've been able to find what that theme is. I try not to just give it right away. Sometimes it's crucial to use the theme in the sentence, but I try not to give it right away. Next is Who is JBlank? This is just about me. We have the bot spam. In this channel, you can spam our bot. We have a JBlanked helper, which has a lot of functions in it. And the main one is our news API. So for those who are using that and you want to test it out, you can do so using this bot spam channel and using the JBlanked helper. Okay. We'll save the VIP for last. Next, we have the Forex channels. We have the Join VIP tab, and this is just information about joining VIP. Now, currently, we do have a 50% off membership going for Black Friday, and this will last all the way until tonight. That is right, tonight. So I had to get this video out pretty early, so you have more than enough time. Plus, the last 2 or 3 days to get in here at 50% off. This is literally the only time that I'm offering 50% off. So if you have been on the fence about getting in, today is the last day. Today is the last opportunity, and the prices are going all the way back up like they have been for the last, 6, 7, 8, or 9 months. So get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. Trading tools, this is where I post general information about tools and some very, very successful ones. Forex profits, this is where you post manual trading profits, or if you're not in the VIP, you would just post your Forex profits even if they are not manual. VIP bots profits, this is profit from our bots in VIP. Free signals. This is from the TMA Bandit, and we have the News Notifier free. The News Notifier gives you basic information about the event that just came, and the TMA RSI Bandit sends signals on the 15-minute time frame on gold based off of the TMA RSI. I do have a video on that. Definitely make sure to check it out if you want more information on that. Next, we have the free tools. And I actually did post one last month. I haven't posted since September in this chat, but there are still over 20 or 30 different ones, including that TMA RSI. if you wanted to go in and check that out. But these are completely free. You can literally just go and click download and use them right away. Courses, links to the Forex and coding courses, tutorials, links to those tutorials, the news API. This is like an announcements channel, which I should just change to an announcements channel so that people can follow this. But this is an announcements channel just about the news API and changes and things that I have discovered, like MQL5 intentionally delaying their data. Okay, next we have the Flipper channel. There's the Flipper chat. Come in and say what's up. Keep it about Flipper if possible. Flipper HTTP. This is just a general information about the firmware that I created. We have this music tab. We have songwriting tips, beat making tips, social media tips, how to grow your social media, including social media promo. Music business tips. And this is mainly for the music business. And new songs. You can go here and post your new songs here. Okay, now let's go over to the VIP announcements. This is general announcements for the VIP members. VIP updates. This is where I post mainly things that have to do with our bots or our website. If there is like a Discord change, and I would just say it in the announcements or in the VIP chat. But this VIP channel are mainly for things related to our trading tools and our website. VIP chat, come and say what's up. Come say hello. If you are a VIP member, the news analysis, this is where I go and post my analysis on news events. Delete this thread. My analysis on news events, and it also has the VIP version of the news notifier, which gives out trading signals and a lot more details on the news events. Next, we have the alerts. We have the GHT notifier, which sends you alerts based on the 5-minute time frame off of the GHT, which I do have a video on this. It's the same video, same indicator I made 400% gain in withdrawal using. So the VIP has an alert version of that. We also have the RSI Predator, which is a reversal strategy. It's not really my thing. Like, it does work out. I would say most of the time, but that's not really my thing to catch reversals. But it uses machine learning. So the blue line, I think, is the RSI, and this orange line is the machine learning line. And whenever they cross, we have a nice reverse. And then we also have the currency meter. Here we go, the currency meter. And it tells you the growth of each currency compared to the other currencies. And then it also shows you the chart. We also have the TMA RSI Bandit. We have the updated version, but we kind of already went over that. So let's just keep going. The backtesting channel. This has been changed from last month. We had a thread that was going on for 14 months, or a channel that was going on for 14 months, but I changed it to, this is called like a forum channel, so that we can keep different topics and different bots, ideas and things together. Similar idea for the bot trades. Except for this is just for trades that your bot is currently in. Manual trades. This is when we go over manual trade setups. Schedule. This is the news highlights that I feel will have the most important impact on the market. Suggestions. And these are suggestions or ideas for our community, and with this channel, this is if VIP members are having any problems with their trading tools, or I guess even with the community, they would speak up here. And then this voice chat channel, that is where we have our weekly live trainings. Okay. right onto the website, and we go to the VIP tab, they also get access, VIP members also get access to news resources. We have the News GPT. We have news calendars from Forex Factory, the Navigator, and MQ05. We have News Library, which gives you news analysis on the selected news events, has a chart of all the different events from the beginning of 2020. Wow, I thought it was 2022, but 2020. And then it has a graph as well. The News Navigator, you can download that and review that. News analysis quizzes. We have the News Query, which is just basic analysis on your selected currency, news event, and outcome. And then, of course, we have the courses. And then lastly, we have a news dictionary, which is just a very short to the point description of terms. Yep, that's it for this video. Definitely make sure to go and check us out. Join the community. It is free to join our Discord, and definitely go and check out all of the different things that we have, including if you are here for coding courses, or if you are here for Forex, or if you are interested in trading tools. We have over 62 trading tools now. All right, I'll see you guys next time. I'm Jay Blank. Peace.